Stupid Mario Brothers! Woohoo! Okay, so then I was like, God damn it, Mario! We told you not to drink all that so much alcohol at Applebee's! But it tasted so good! Everything that tastes good is bad for you. Shut the up, Luigi. I wasn't even talking to you. Nobody even likes you. Oh yeah, sorry, Mario. I forgot. Guess what I enlisted us in? If it's the FBI watch list, then I may as well say what's on Luigi's search history. Luigi's search history has put... What the? No! The Turkey Bacon War! You mean that war on the Bird and Pig Island? Yeah! Isn't that such a great idea? No! Are you stupid? We could get ourselves killed! We'll get veterans discount next time we go to Applebee's so you can get more alcohol! More alcohol? Sign me up! We can also get a veterans discount wherever we go, like stores! You silly shroomhead! You've been banned in every store in America! Yeah, what? Oh, look! The army tank is here! Oh my gosh, we're all going to die! Oh, cheer up, Mario. What could possibly go wrong?
Jeez, I have a feeling this war will never end. Red, it hasn't even been that long. It's only been 14.5 years. I will turn you into a stop sign. Red! What is it, Commander Bomb, sir? 4 new recruits have joined our forces, sir. Excellent. Have them meet with me immediately. Sir, yes, sir. Why do you keep saying sir? I don't know. It sounds cool. General Red, we present to you the Princess of the Mushroom Kingdom and 3 idiots.
Hey, I'm not an idiot, you piss-stained triangle.
And I'm not an overweight, obese Italian plumber. Hit the gym.
Okay, whatever. You're shorter than me anyways.
Okay, whatever. Just tell me your names.
Oh, well, it's me, Super Mario.
More like Pooper Mario.
Shut up! Anyway, the green bean over there is Luigi, the is Peach, and the drug over there is Toad.
Great. Your names suck. Now I'll remember them easier, you freaks. Now, get on the battlefield. Oh, you idiots! Oh. Don't just stand there, build something! Oh, you pigs are useless. Man. Let's see the birds try to destroy this.
Hey, you, yellow thing, you're good with wood, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's launch you at that structure thingy.
Actually, let's launch you, right guys? What do you guys think? Oh, yeah. Yep, let's launch him, guys.
Ah! Why me? Let me go! Ah! Ugh, I felt like the birds hit the buildings in 1211.
Don't ever joke about that tragedy, terrorist.
Okay, big boy, are you ready?
Oh no, the slingshot's been destroyed. What are we gonna do now? Luigi!
Wait, no, not again! Ah!
Wait, where is he going?
He's punching it out like usual.
Hello, Angry Birds. It is I, King Pig. King Pig, what are you doing here? Man, get out of here. Are you enjoying your Christmas gift, Angry Birds? Defeat on the battlefield? Well, you may have won the battle, but you didn't win the war. Yeah, that's been going on for 14 years. It's 12! Get it right, you guys. Jeez. What is wrong with the people behind this company? Speaking of which, where's my clock at? Chuck? Chuck! Whoa, what is it, Red? Get over here! Stop. I don't even want to know. Looks like you lost the battle, Angry Bird. Wait, they repaired the slingshot. Booty. Oh. Hey. Her. Christmas has been saved.
I guess you're right. Christmas is saved after all.
Yeah, no thanks to you guys. What is wrong with this company? Or studio, whatever. Well, Merry Christmas, you idiots.
Pizza.